let's go over this cordless back massager belt. I'm gonna go over all the different features of this, talk about my experiences using this, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. Okay, so let's just have a look at the belt itself here. So it is a pretty wide belt, and it also comes with an extender. And with the extender, this will go up to 66 inches for your waist. So we have the front here with the control box here that we can actually take off. Although in order to use it, you will need to have this attached to it. It's really simple. You can just put it back on and it's just magnetic. It fits in just like that. So what's great about this cordless massage belt, it is a 3-in-1 belt. It has heating, it has massaging, and it has red light therapy. So you don't find that in a lot of massagers. Usually you just have the heat and the massaging. Let's have a look at the back right here as well. So this little design, it's really soft material, a little bit stretchy. Of course, it is a waist belt. That's good that it is stretchy. I've had no problems with this at all, putting it around my waist, and it is very comfortable. Okay, so let's go over just the different settings of this. So there are 6 heating modes and 6 massaging modes. To turn on the device, just press the bottom button here. Again, it will need to be attached in order to work. We'll just go ahead and show you right now what it looks like. Okay, so then we have the battery on top, and then we have the temperature in Celsius, and the top button is the temperature, and the bottom one is the massaging. So we can of course change the temperature by pressing the button here, cycle through the 6 different modes, 6 different temperatures. That's without the temperature on at all. So we have 38, 40, 42, 45, and then 48 degrees Celsius. And again, the 6 different massage modes, I'll go over that, I'll put on the belt and show you the 6 different massage modes. One thing about the massager though, is it does not have those nodes that really dig into your back. So it is a vibration type massaging. So if you do need something that's a lot more pressure on your back, then you'll want to get a different massager. This again just has the vibrating massaging. In my opinion though, this still feels really good. I like the massaging that this gives. I find that it does give still some pressure on the back, even though it doesn't have those nodes. But don't expect to have some really kneading type massaging onto your back with this belt. And then of course the red light therapy with this, if you're unfamiliar with red light therapy, it's just giving more energy to the cells to help recover. That's really just the basics of red light therapy. This has those red lights to provide that therapy in the belt itself. Okay, then we look on the top here. That's where you go ahead and charge this. So the one downside about this is it will need to be attached to the belt, and you cannot use the belt when it's charging. And as far as the battery life for this will last multiple sessions, and this battery will last hours. And of course, it'll also depend on the heat and the massaging, how many hours this will last. Of course, if you have the heat and the massaging going, then this will consume more battery than having none of those on. Of course, it will consume more battery than just having one of those on. So around the range of 3 to 4 hours for a charge. And this will also take a couple hours to recharge. And as far as the belt itself, it can fit around, even if you have a sweatshirt on, of course, it's better to take your sweatshirt off. And another great thing about this, as well as it just being 3-in-1, is it's just portable. You can just take it wherever you want. You can be just working at your desk, watching TV, even driving in the car. You can have this on, not a problem at all. So having those 3 features and it being portable and you being able to take it anywhere is really nice for this belt. So that's what I really like about this belt, just having those 3-in-1 features and it just being portable. So the main value of this is really that background relief. You're gonna be having this while you're watching TV, while you're working at a desk, or just, around the house doing chores. This belt will just give you that relief. So let's go ahead and try this belt on and show you the different modes that it has for the heating and the massaging. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on the belt. Put the left flap over, put it on pretty tight. That way you can feel the massage and the heat as much as possible. And then go ahead and turn it on the bottom here. And we get taken to the screen with 42 degrees on. Again, we can change the temperature by pressing the bottom button. Go ahead and turn it to the highest setting. It's 48 degrees Celsius, so it does take about a minute to heat up. And then we can also look at the different modes. So there's no display for the modes, but there is a little light right here that changes when you press them. And it changes different colors. So, okay, and I'll go ahead and turn around so you can see what it looks like. And it really looks exactly the same. I'm going to show the inside as well so you can really see the red lights on here. So we have the massagers, 4 of them right here. So make sure to adjust it where you want the massaging to go. Go ahead and take off the belt so you can see the red lights. There we go. There's the red light therapy right in the middle section of the belt. So again, no problems putting this on, having the massaging, having the heating, having the red lights. You can walk around, do whatever you want. You can also put this just, you can also just have a sweatshirt over this as well. No problem at all. And in my experience, this absolutely does help. Having heat, having massage that's, vibration massage, so not the kneading massage, still does help a lot, and I really enjoy it. Sometimes you also don't want the really strong kneading massage. Just a nice vibration massage works really well. So who is this belt really for? Really anyone who has any type of back pain at all, or even stomach pain. You can just turn this thing around and just, if you had any abdomen problems, have the heat and the massaging going. So whether you're into sports, older, just have a really stiff back, this could really come in handy. So in my opinion, this is definitely a massage belt worth checking out.